new car. Oh, cool. And all other cars.
I'm ready to break it off. Can't, Andy, you gotta take it out by hand.
You gotta take it by hand.
And I also got
What's that?
army thing.
It's a nightlight.
Wow. Come on, honey.
Jones.
What is that?
WWE.
They're
What is it,
cards.
Oh, they got cards out now?
Yeah, and they're John Cena.
Wow, Santa Claus is really smart, huh?
Yeah. He knows what I like. Cool, I got this car already. You got me that?
There. Turn it down. She's recording it.
Oh, so.
What is that?
I don't know. Spray?
It's body spray.
Wow, so you smell like a girl.
No.
So you can smell good for the girls for Behevica.
Oh, my God.
For Hanukkah?
Behevica.
Is that her
What do
name?
you mean?
Look, see?
Alright. Put all of it back.
Okay. Except this.
Why don't you put it all in your book bag?
Oh, my new book bag?
Mm-hmm.
I got a new book bag. Awesome. Can I put my gum in there?
Yeah. That way the dogs don't get a hold of it.